అందరికీ నమస్కారం అండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి తొందరగా పిలిచినందుకు. నందిని పక్కన మాట్లాడుతూనే ఉంటున్నారు. బట్ సీరియస్లీ అండి, ఐఎమ్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ టు సీ నందిని. ఎంతమందికి తెలుసో తెలియదు కానీ షీ వర్క్ ఇన్ మురారి యాజ్ ఎన్ ఏడీ. అండ్ అప్పుడు ఎలా మాట్లాడుతుందో ఇప్పుడు కూడా అలానే మాట్లాడుతుంది. నేను మాట్లాడదలుచుకుందని ముందే మాట్లాడేసింది వచ్చి. బట్ ఐఎమ్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ టు సీ యూ హియర్. People like you, Devakatta garu, Swapna, interacting with you, sir, I think will be great for Yup TV. I first of all like to congratulate Yup TV for this novel concept and associating with all the big names in our industry. And mundu cheppanandi, I think the future of the entertainment industry will be the digital space. Last 2-3 years ago, it's been growing by leaps and bounds, and it's a great idea for Yup TV to be producing original content. And I think there's a lot of great talent out there trying to express themselves, and this is a great platform. It'll only be great to our industry. And congratulations once again, sir. Congratulations.
Thanks.
I think the last time when I was here, my first introduction to Yup TV was, it was 5 years ago. We were shooting for Dokudu in Switzerland. And there was no TV, nothing there. We were staying in a small motel there. And one of them had an iPad, and they were watching I think TV9 news channel. And I was a little, I was wondering how did they do that? And he said there's an app called Yup TV and you can get all the TV channels. And I think I was just amazed with it. And then, so it's grown from that time to now. Like the way they're going to produce the original content is a fantastic idea, I think, because there's some great content being produced these days. And so I wish them all the best for that. It's a process. Yeah, it's going to become bigger and bigger only now. So they've just started it. So it's going to be growing. Not only me, I think a lot of other big actors also will be seeing them do that as well, I feel. Because if you see in Hollywood, there are really big names into this, like Netflix and some of the shows which I've seen. They're huge names there. So I think very soon it will happen in India. Like I said, it's the future of the entertainment industry. I think we'll be launching the first look very soon. So I think maybe for Ugadi, I think.